Humble people go to church. Humble people are in the house of God. They don't miss service. He said the Lord hearkened to the prayer of Hezekiah, the prayer of the pastor in the church. The Lord will hearken to it, and then the people will get blessed. Oh, how many times miracles and testimonies and expansion has come to us when we go to church? How many times have we listened to the man of God, Pastor Chris? After the meeting, our story just changed, our testimony just changed, and we start seeing some results in our lives. So when the man of God calls for a meeting, we don't miss the meeting. Why? Because those meetings, they are the transportation of grace. They conduct the grace of God. They transport the grace of God. So we attend those meetings and we are changed. And people are wondering, what are you doing? The house of God. You don't miss the house of God. Humble people go to the house of God. He said, humble yourself, and then God will give you more grace. You have more grace.